We all know it's important to bundle up and protect ourselves from the cold, but it's just as important to stay safe and warm inside while using things like space heaters and generators. I'm KATC's Anna Fisher here at Iberia Medical Center's North Lewis campus, speaking with a professional about what to watch out for.
Check on your neighbors and check on the elderly. They are the most vulnerable right now.
Staying warm during this cold spell is vital for your health.
We have seen a couple of injuries from heaters, home heaters at home.
But what happens when the things that keep you warm start affecting your health?
Well, you can have first, second, or third degree burns. First degree burns is almost like a sunburn. My hand will be hot, red. It'll feel like fire. Second degree burns, you might have blisters or you might have some sloughing of the skin. By the time it's third degree, you really don't have any feeling.
Dr. Wendy Doe is an ER physician at Iberia Medical Center, serving both the North and Main campuses in New Iberia. She says it's important to keep space heaters at a safe distance to prevent these burns.
We do recommend people keep the home heaters about 4 feet away from them. Be careful around young kids. Not putting it on countertops where it might be able to fall on top of you so you can get burned by it, or a young child can get burned, or elderly person.
With generator safety also at top of mind.
And then we watch out for carbon monoxide poisoning.
According to Dr. Doe, headache, nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, fatigue, and brain fog are all symptoms to watch out for.
We did 1 year have somebody use their generator in a mobile home, and they used it all night, and unfortunately everybody passed away.
If you feel you've been poisoned, she recommends removing yourself from the environment and getting checked out immediately.
And what's the treatment look like for that?
We would give you oxygen.
If you're facing a health concern or medical crisis, call 911 or check yourself into an ER like this one as soon as possible. Reporting in Iberia Parish, I'm Anna Fisher for KATC TV3.